So today is the 12th, 05, 2020. The point of learning about Office 365 is for what is Office 365. Thing is about what is Microsoft 365. Okay, so it is formally Office 365. Okay, so what is Office 365? How many versions are there? Versions are editions. Exactly, say not versions, editions. Mainly two editions. One is Home Edition, another one is Business Edition. Okay, in a Home Edition again, we have a varieties are there. So different editions under Home, different editions under Business, like a family, personal, and all. So these things plus advantages first of all. Okay, advantages of using Office 365, and what is the difference between our normal Office is there, no? Microsoft Office, like a 2019 or 2021 or 2013. So normal offices to Office 365. Okay. So what is the differences? Okay. What are the additional services we are getting with Office 365? Like a Microsoft Exchange services, SharePoint services, Intune services, like that. So there is a some additional services we are getting with this kind of stuff. OneDrive, okay, organizational level or a personal level OneDrive we are getting. Okay, what are the these additional services, insurance and other things? What are those things we have to discuss? Okay, so first of all, what is this Office 365? How it is different from the normal Office? Actually, we have to parallelly typing, so then it will give us a better understanding. Guys, Office 365 is a cloud-based service from Microsoft. From Microsoft, this service is available. Okay, so this Office 365 or a Microsoft 365 from Microsoft. It is from Microsoft. It is a cloud-based service. Cloud service means you don't need to install into your local machine. If you want, you can do it, but so cloud services. In a cloud, there is a three type of service models are there. What are the cloud service models, guys?
AAS, SaaS, PaaS.
Very good.
Uh,
Infrastructure
Software
as
as
a
a service
service.
service. Platform as a
Yeah,
service,
platform as
software
a
as a
service
service.
or infrastructure.
Very good, very good. Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. Office 365 is an application which we can able to access from Microsoft Cloud directly. It is a software as a service. Normally, cloud is a pay-as-you-go model, but this is you're accessing directly application, not some infrastructure kind of stuff, right? Not a platform also. Direct application. You no need to build application, you need to create an application. Just you have to access an application and you have to give your data in it. Okay. So it is a software as a service and it is like a subscription model. It is a subscription model. Subscribe per month or per year. Per month or per year you have to pay money. Just like Netflix or Amazon Prime, you're subscribing per month or per year. You're subscribing. Same as this application also you are doing subscribing. Usually Amazon Prime per year, Netflix per month. Netflix per year is subscription is not there. Okay. So, but Office 365 per month or per year you can able to pay. Okay. So what we are getting from the Office 365 as Office tools. Office means mainly Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. In the new versions, we are also getting Teams, or you can separately install a Teams also. Separate. The Teams is separate. Important Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. So we can able to get it. Other than that one, so we are getting a OneDrive cloud storage. Of course, from Windows 10, you are getting any OneDrive storage by default, but depends upon your subscription, depends upon your edition. So you are getting OneDrive space also. Like usually, you won't get a OneDrive space 1 terabyte, right? Normally, this is a limited space only 5 GB, 7 GB is there. With Office 365, you are getting 1 terabyte of OneDrive space per user. Okay. Next. This Office 365. So I taken a attendance. This is Office 365. See, this is Excel sheet. Okay, so I open Excel sheet in a web browser. Okay, because it is a Office 365. So not only Excel, Word, PowerPoint, okay, Outlook, OneDrive, Teams, MR, streaming, all these things we can able to do it. It depends upon your um, Office 365 account. Okay, here it is. Also, I use a document. See, this is a Google Docs. Oh, sorry. Okay, I can create a new document. I can create a what we can say a Excel sheet and also PowerPoint. See, this is my PowerPoint. See, when I didn't remember when I created. So this is my PowerPoint. This is Google. Google is providing this Google Docs services. Okay. So where it is? Yeah. I can access my office from anywhere, anytime, any device also. Okay. Any device. I can access this Excel sheet from my mobile phone also. Sometime, no, your Prakash sir ask for a, please share the attendance sheet, or please share this particular document. So I'm missing the link. So then I will open. Or maybe he will ask how many people are there. Tell me this person is coming on. I'm not in a with the office laptop, so I can use my mobile phone and I can take the extract. Of course, in my home I have my personal laptop. I can access this data. See it is. Currently, I'm accessing my office from office laptop. In my home, I have a personal laptop. I can access from it. I can access from my mobile phone. Only one thing is important is, of course, two things. One is you need a internet. If you are accessing online, so compulsory internet is required for online access, web browser access, online access. Okay. So if you have a documents in OneDrive, so compulsory internet is there, online access again. Okay. Next one is user account, username, password. So yesterday, for example, I want to access my document. Yesterday, I sent a document. So like in my home. So in my home, I have a personal laptop, right? It is asking login. So what I have to do? I put my Office 365 username and password. So then it is ask for OTP because I didn't use it there in a for a longer time. So automatically two device login is happen. So it is asked for a OTP. I give an OTP. So it's came to my mobile. Then I log in, I share the document, or maybe I access the document. Okay. So it is you need internet to access in online, and you need a username and password. You can access your office from anywhere, anytime. Anytime you can access. It's not required to be there with your personal laptop or maybe your office laptop. You can access your office from anywhere, anytime, any device. You can access from mobile phones, any OS kind of stuff, anywhere, anytime, any device also comes with a OS kind of concept. Microsoft Office works in a Windows. Of course, it will work in a Mac OS also. You can access your thing in a Linux also. So any type of operating system. So in a Linux, you can't install Microsoft applications, but how can you access your Microsoft Office in a Linux? You can't install, but you can do it with a web browser online. Office online. Office online can be working anywhere. Either it is Windows system, Linux system, or a Mac operating system. Whatever it is, you need a internet to access Office online and you can do the things. So no need to be installed locally. Okay. So that is the point. So once again, what is Office 365? Formally, we call this one as a Office 365. So Microsoft 365, now that name is Microsoft 365, but earlier it is Office 365. The cloud-based service, software as a service. It's a subscription model, not a pay as you go. It's a monthly or yearly you have to pay per user. Okay, how many users are there? As per that one, you have to pay. Cancel anytime. So I taken a subscription. I use for 3 months. Now I don't require, so I can cancel anytime. Microsoft Office suite means Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and a OneDrive we are getting. plus other enterprises applications like Microsoft Teams, Exchanges, SharePoint, and some more other things. You can access your Microsoft apps online like a web browser, offline like a desktop and mobile application also available. So both it is working. Like a Google Docs, take a Google Docs online only. Google Docs offline tools are not available for Windows laptops. Offline tools may be for a Google operating system, Android operating system, mobile phones. Offline application may be applications are available, but for Windows laptops, offline applications are not available for a Google Docs. This is anyway Microsoft Office 365 or a Microsoft 365 you can access through web browser, so through online, so and offline your Windows desktop applications, any operating system, either it is a mobile with any operating system. Actually, that's the point. Like mobile with any operating system, Android mobile, Windows mobile, or a Windows tablet, or a Android tablet, or maybe iPhone kind of stuff. Also, you will get a mobile applications. Access your Office apps from anywhere, anytime, any device. Okay. Guys, understand somewhat about this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay. We have a normal offices. Just maybe you see in olden days. So you have a Microsoft Office, normal office like Office 2013 or maybe 2016, 2019, recent one 2021. Normal office it is. Okay. Normal offices. So what is these offices? It is one-time install. It is a one-time type of installation, one-time purchasing kind of stuff. It is not subscription model. No need to pay. No need to pay monthly or yearly. Okay. One-time purchase. Once you buy, it is yours. But it is a single user support. It is a single system support. Okay. One license. Say one license, one PC or a one Mac. Either PC or a Mac you buy. So it comes with one license. That's it. So this is my device, my laptop or a desktop with a Windows or Mac OS. So I install my Office. So my Office is available here. So every month or every year, no need to buy one-time purchase, one license. That's enough. You can use it for a multiple days. I mean, so many days you can use it. So you need to buy every year or every month. Okay, that's a good thing. Problem is this is having a limited support. Like you got some application issue, limited days of support is there. Free support is up to 60 days. For free support, 60 days. Paid, not at none. Why? Because of paid is also certain limit. So you want a support, a paid related support. Free support completed. Once it is completed, your support become paid support. Paid support also not give always like a 10 years, 20 years, you won't get it. For example, 2013, you have by this time 2013, the support is completed. Even for a paid support also, they won't give a support. You have to buy a new one. Maybe you have a 2019. Paid support may be available. Paid support may be available. So limited time for a supporting. Limited time period for updates. So you want any updates kind of stuff. So you have a Microsoft product is automatically updates any new future kind of stuff, or maybe any critical updates, security updates, application related updates. You will get update, but certain period of time those updates also will be stopped. Only certain critical updates can be continue for a few more years, but later it is also stops. Okay, you will get only update messages. You have to upgrade it to new version. So limited update time, limited support time, limited update time. For example, from 2013 to 2021, lot of changes will happen, right? So from 2013 to 2016, there's some features are introduced. From 2016 to 2019, some more features are introduced. For example, here it is data analytics is introduced in a 2016-19 kind of stuff. In 2013, maybe it is not there. 2010, it may be not there. 2007, it is not there. So any new features are came up. Any new features came up. So you have to buy again. If you want these new features, you have to buy a latest, okay, latest product. Okay. So this is normal Office. So what will happen with Office 365? Guys, understand what are the things about a um, um, normal Office? And one more,
Yes, sir.
yeah, very good. So one point I'm missing that is, if you want to access your Office, your license, your Office, you have to be there with your system only. This same Office with that license, you cannot access from other PCs. For example, you are outside. Suddenly your boss called you and say like I want to this document, please change these documents, document contents, please change it. You can't do it. Why? Because of you are not with your laptop or a desktop. Your office is there, your document is there. Okay, you can't do if you are outside. So that is another flight. Yeah. So again, so why we are telling again Office 365, what are the issues here? It is not here. Okay, but there is a benefits, advantage, disadvantages also there. Mainly advantage and disadvantages. In normal Office, you need to pay every month, every year. One time purchase, that's enough. Okay. But in Office 365, you have to pay either monthly or yearly, you have to pay. Okay. But it is always support is available. Always free support, not only now paid support, guys. It is always free support is available. As long as you are having a subscription, you have a support. Continuous updates. Updates are continuously available. As long as your subscription is there, yes. No need to worry about a new features kind of stuff. Any new feature is there, with the next update, automatically the feature will be added. So you need to buy a new one. For example, in this one, I have a 2016. In 2019, new feature is introduced. I want that feature, I have to buy 2019. But here it is not like that. You are already subscribed, so you are working. New feature is introduced, automatically you will get that new feature. Okay. Next, here it is. I told one point, right? So already I told I am with my laptop, my office laptop, my office, Microsoft Office 365 I'm getting. Same I can access from my personal laptop. Last time I have taken class. So morning session I have taken 22 batch, afternoon you're 23 batch. So morning batch, what happened? So that's I want to take an attendance. Very simple. I go to the Office 365 account, log in with my username and password, access the attendance sheet. Because of this is data is stored in my OneDrive. So I put my document in OneDrive in Office 365 provided OneDrive, connected OneDrive. And my Office is also I can able to access from web browser or mobile phone. Not required my that particular laptop or desktop is not required. Any system, no problem. So that's why it's written anywhere, anytime, any device. So document is available and I have my Office anytime. For example, I went to the relative's house. So boss called me, I have to do some changes in the document. So what I will do, so ask them a laptop for some time, log in as a guest user. So open browser and go to this OneDrive, open the document there. So edit the document and send the document. So I don't need to worry about the installation in locally also. So that is the Office 365. Normal offices, it is offline. So desktop applications, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Access, Publisher, OneNote, like this kind of stuff, you will get it. It's a one PC, one Mac type of license. So either you use PC or a Mac, one license it is. One time purchase, no need to pay for every year. But limited time paid for free and paid support also. For free, it's 60 days generally. For a paid, it is for a certain years. That's it. For new features, you have to purchase new Office version. For updates, limited period of time only. It is available. But in Office 365, here we have there. You can access your Office apps from anywhere, anytime, any device. Always support is there, continuous update, new features automatically added. You can access your Office from any type of device like using mobile phone, iPhone, Android phone, Windows phones, Windows laptops, desktops, Mac laptops or desktop kind of stuff. Anywhere you can use it. Even though direct voice support is not there, like you are using a Linux based systems. It's not supporting to install into the Linux system, but still we can able to use Office Online. So this is about your Microsoft Office. How to learn about these editions? Microsoft 365. Just open that 365 kind of stuff like this. So guys, this is a home edition. So you can see for home, for business. You can pay yearly, you can pay monthly also. This is for a monthly payment. Okay. This is for a yearly payment. So this is, you can just open this link. Also, you can see that things. So Office 365 for home editions are there, for business editions also there. For home editions, we have a personal and family. Okay. We have a personal and a family. Personal means one license. One user can able to use it. But it support up to 5 devices. Means same Office, same license you can use in a 5 devices, including like a PC, Mac, iPhone, iPad, Android phone, Android tablets, Windows tablets, anywhere you can able to use it. You will get a 1 terabyte of cloud space. But but per year you have to pay this much amount. And you are getting Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Security, Windows Defender. This is OneDrive, Outlook, and this is some editor, Chip Chap, and this is Note, OneNote. Okay. So these are all you are getting per person, one person. Means you for your personal purpose only. You don't want to share. Then you have to pay per year 4,899. This is family. For example, you and some of your family members or cousins, friends, kind of stuff. At least 5 to 6 members are there. This is better. Okay. Per year is 6,199 only per year. Not per user, guys. Per year it is. And this office can be used by up to 6 members. You know, people share the Netflix subscription, right? So I have taken a 4 user subscription. So I can share it to four. In earlier days, it is 800. Now it is 649. Earlier it is 799. So four friends, each one put a 200, 200, 200 like that. So one person will buy a license. Other three will pay the 600. So then they will share. Okay, one person with his name he will buy. Remaining people will give their share and they can use it, right? The similarly, you have a 6 members are there. Then almost like it is 1,000 certain change, 1,050 rupees like that it will happens. Okay, 6 members are sharing one license. So it is compared to personal, it is much cheaper. And every person is getting one cloud storage. And of course, you are getting all office tools as a personal plus something like there's a family safety. It is also like a Windows Defender only, like a earlier child protection kind of stuff is a family safety feature it is. So earlier it is parental control. Now it is called a family safety, family and safety. Up to 6 members can use it. Each person can use up to 5 simultaneous devices, each person. Okay. And each person is getting 1 TB of cloud. Additional features in a family safety mobile application. Not this is. Okay. This is a for home. And in this one, office, home, and student. As I said, guys, it is one-time purchase kind of. It's not Office 365 kind of stuff. It is a local system installation. So anywhere, anytime access is not there. Even you won't get any separate cloud storage space. You won't get any additional storage space. One PC or one Mac, you can use it. Number of accounts, only one time you can able to use it. For example, your laptop is corrupted. You can go to another laptop and put their license there, no problem. But simultaneously in a both laptops or both desktops, laptop, desktop, like a 2 time, 3 times, same license, you can't use it. Okay. So, for example, you currently one system you install your Office, and if your system is corrupted, then you move to another system. You can use that license because you are moving. I'm talking about this one, guys, not Office 360. I'm talking about this one, normal local systems. Please. Multi-device and platform is not there. Okay. Of course, you are getting Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Certain features may not available. Support including first 60 days at no extra cost. It is a one-time purchase, guys, but yearly you don't need to pay. But this is yearly you have to pay this amount. Or of course, if you want to pay monthly also, there is an amount for a monthly payment. So yearly you pay, so its cost is automatically little lesser. Okay, so you are thinking about only 1 year I'm using, so this is the better. If you're thinking about I'm using for 2, 3 years, this is better. But if you want to access from anywhere, anytime, and you want a OneDrive cloud storages, so better to go for a Office 365. That's the point. You guys understand for home?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Very good. Next one is for business comparison. In a for business, these are the things. Totally four editions. In a under for business, four editions. Business basic, business standard, business premium, apps for business. In a business basic, per user per month cost is 13. Okay, per month cost. So you have to take annual subscription, then this is the cost, per month cost. So you have to take annual subscription. So you have to pay per annum, but it is per month cost per user. How many users you are there? So this is for business used by organizations, not for your personal, for your family. So it is for organization. For example, Seventies is an organization, HCL is an organization. Okay. So Wipro is an organization. So for organization, they want to take a Office 365 or a Microsoft 365, they go for a for business. So it's not a limitation of users. So many users we can able to use it. So per user 136 rupees 25 pays per user per month. In this business basic guys, desktop applications are not there. So you cannot install Office 365 in your laptops and desktops. But you can access online, like you using web browser, you can access your Office. From mobile phone also you can able to access, not a desktop applications. You can do all the things like a call, chatting, meeting, business class emails, you will get it like a at the rate your company names. Okay, standard securities, any phone, anytime phone and web support. Word, Excel, PowerPoint you are getting, Teams you are getting, Outlook you are getting, OneDrive you are getting. These are all you know, but additionally you are getting Exchange and SharePoint. What is a Exchange? Exchange is a mail services. Microsoft Exchange. Exchange is a mail service related. Okay. So for your enterprise, your organization, you want to send a mails in an organizational level. So this Exchange will help you. Office 365 Business Standard. Sorry, Microsoft 365 Business Standard. Now this the cost is increased. 719 rupees 40 pies per month per user. Here it is, you are getting desktop applications. Okay, you are getting desktop applications also. I think something it is. Okay, they change somewhat in a standard. It's in my notes. The standard is different. So see standard apps for business showing here it is. In this particular edition, you won't get a Exchange SharePoint Teams. You'll get a desktop apps and mobiles features, but you won't get this Exchange SharePoint and Teams. Okay, but mobile applications you are getting mobile web and desktop applications of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, Access, Publisher. These are all you are getting, but no Exchange and SharePoint. So earlier, okay. This is standard. Standard is there. Standard, correct? Okay. And this is premium. So where it is went wrong? Yeah, correct only, correct only. So originally this is here, means first is business basics and apps for business, then business standard, then business premium. So he changed the location of this part. So what is this apps for business? You'll get Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneDrive, Access, and Publisher, both desktop applications, web access, and mobile application is also available. But only the thing is, here you are getting Exchange and SharePoint. It is not there Exchange and SharePoint. It is purely Office only, not mailing or a SharePoint support. But you take a standard. Standard is same as a basics. Standard and basics both are same. Only difference is in a standard you are getting desktop applications of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Teams, Outlook, OneDrive, SharePoint, Exchange, Access and Publishes. Of course, that's not like that. Okay. What are you are getting with the basics? Same you are getting with the standards, but Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Teams, Outlook, OneDrive, Access, Publishers, desktop applications are available. Okay. So here it is, all are web and mobile applications. No desktop applications. Here, desktop applications available. That's the difference between basic and standard. Business premium. Business premium and business standards, same again, same, plus few things. If you go, you are getting as a standard desktop, a web, and mobile applications are available. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Teams, Outlook, OneDrive, SharePoint, Exchange, Access, and Publishers you are getting in a standard. But in a premium, you are getting insurance, Azure, information protection you are getting. So, which is suitable for your organization, which is more cost effective. Okay, so that is you have to take it. For example, for me, this is good one because cost is lesser and I don't mind about a desktop applications. Anyway, I don't use Access and Publishers. Remaining is always useful. Mainly, I'm getting Exchange and SharePoint. Okay, guys. Any after doubt, nothing or anything, you can ask me. So you can go to each and every all these things. What is Microsoft 365? Okay. What is this? What is this? Questions you will get it. Yeah. Tell me any questions, anything.
Hello, sir. So, what type of questions we can expect on this topic in an interview, sir?
Very good. In a topic, again, first, what is Office 365? What do you know about a Office 365? Okay. What is the difference between Office 365 to normal regular installation Office? Okay. Normal Office to Office 365. Okay. So what are that is two important question, guys. First two compulsory. If possible, if may they ask, possibility is there also. What are the additions you have? Like, what is a business and what is home? That's enough. Okay. Compulsory, specifically every edition, you must know what are the features. That much is not required, but if you read it, it is good. Okay. But important is what are the edition? For home edition is there, business edition is there. Two editions are there. In that one, names are there. If you can able to remember or if you are study well, that is good thing. But important is what is an Office 365, how it is different from regular Office to Office 365. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Uh, So in the every business edition also having some additional features you can see. Intunes applies security policies to help protect business data on all of your organization's devices. So as I said, Office 365 I can use in my mobile phone, my laptops, my desktop kind of stuff. Using Intunes, I can implement security policies so to protect your data, which is, for example, your mobile you are using for a personal purpose, right? If in case your organization is providing a mobile phone to you, so what the organization will do it, they try to control your data applications in your mobile phone. So then it won't give any security compromise. Azure information protection safeguards sensitive information no matter where it is stored, who it is shared with it. Okay, so he is asking where it is stored, all these things. So it will do safeguarding your data. Exchange. So Exchange is a mail services, guys. So I am getting a mail from Office 365 Exchange only. Normally, I have to take a mail server. Yesterday class, when I explaining cloud, I explained that multiple server kind of stuff, right? This is my Exchange. Exchange means Microsoft Exchange means mail server. Okay. So for user authentication, compulsory Microsoft Exchange is required. I'm telling you about physical environment, not a cloud environment. Okay. So I need a Active Directory. I need a Active Directory environment. Then it is Exchange application for mail server application. So of course I need a storage, central storage for storing mailboxes. Okay. Of course, single server is not enough. You must have a multiple servers, multiple storage contains to avoid downtime kind of stuff, like for a failover and high availability services. It is very difficult to maintain. You have to maintain a server, licenses, hardware, capital, and operating system expenditure. It is better like a go to Office 365, check for business for your organization, and check which is suitable. Mention under it, so you can take it. So Exchange is a mail server. SharePoint is created team, site, share information, file, and resources. For example, I'm working in a project. So in the project, every details I want to mention and follow up those kind of stuff and share the documents related to the project. I can do with my SharePoint. I can write stories on it. For example, I have written a story. See this, see? So I want to share some information so then others can able to learn or maybe others can able to do certain kind of stuff. So this is SharePoint. Remaining all you know guys, Access Publisher. Access is for database creation. Access only works in a desktop application wise only, not a mobile or a online. Create and share business apps using with their developer. Publisher, create a polished professional layout with the hassle. So you can use a publisher to design the templates, postcard, or maybe online content kind of stuff. You can do it. Microsoft Teams bring everyone together in one place to meet, chat, call, and collaborate. Outlook manages our emails, calendars, tasks, contacts together in one place. Already a OneDrive will save this data, PowerPoint, excellent. This one. Okay, so understand Exchange and SharePoint also. important to know what is Exchange mail server it is. SharePoint is a server which we are using to do some collaboration work. You can create a sites. Okay, I created a site with that one. So, oh no, 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 no. This one. This is okay. So I can create a site with some given template, community site, communication site. You can see share information that engages and informs viewers, create portals, subject specific site, engage doses, thousands of users, view content others, and many site visitors. Team site, create a private space to collaborate with your team, track and stay update on your project status, share team resources and co-author content. All sites owners and members publish the site content. Okay, so you, for example, you are doing some project. So I will create a team site. So I will put all project related information, their statuses, and what are the things you have to do, 2 days work, or maybe status of today's work like that. Communication sites is to share your viewpoints or a certain sharing of information to your in within organization like that. This is creating a post. We can create a post on a particular thing just like this. Okay, on a particular group, I created a creating post. I'll put the post details, what is the post details and their information here. So that is become a unknown post kind of stuff. So do not post unknown post like this. You have to delete it or you can edit it. So I'm putting this in recycler bin. I don't know. I'm unable to find how to delete this. Unnecessary. But you see, this is I created a version control. So see, content it may be useful for people. You know, when I created a page, if I want to add a page, I can add a page. I can add a copy of this page. I want to send or promote immersive reader analytics kind of stuff. Okay, guys, this is a SharePoint. So you can create sites, you can create a post. Okay, you can create a groups. So then we can able to share our information, progress, thoughts, dashboards, kind of stuff. We can able to do it. So this is our Office 365. Okay. Now take a break. Come back in a 11:50 actually. Maybe 55 is also okay. No problem. 5 minutes plus 7 minutes. Just once go through it. Once you done a break completed, then go through once. So you will understand what is a Office 365.